Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from RashadBeats.com. Welcome back to another BeatNerd tutorial, and today we are working on how to make a dance beat. Today I want to do something different. We're going to focus on making a dance pop beat. And these type of beats are fairly easy because all you really have to do is catch a good rhythm, get a nice bass line, and you'll be good. But I wanted to do that just to switch it up a little bit from the trap and the soul and the boom bap, whatever, show you guys, variety. And as a producer, you want to have as many avenues of sounds as possible, you know what I'm saying? With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I'm about to go ahead and go to my sampler. I'm gonna right click this and I'm gonna replace this with a plugin. I think I'll use Hypersonic. Hypersonic is a really good VST, by the way. And the trick with club beats, usually how I start them, or dance beats, I'm sorry. The trick with dance beats, I'll try to find like a synth sound. So let's go ahead and find a good synth sound to start it out. Got my handy dandy, got the MIDI today, you feel me? So it's gonna be in my lap while I'm playing. Let's see what type of things we can find. Once I hear it, I'm gonna run with it and I'm gonna show you how simple this can be. Alright, let's find a tempo. So oh crap, hold on. Instead, I'm gonna just slide it down, because as you can see, I have my audio settings set with my primary sound driver, which adds latency to me playing the keys, but it's cool. So let's do that. And hold on. 2, 3, 4, 2, and so I'm gonna use these trichords real quick, and I'm gonna switch them up. I would say I'm gonna give them a whole nother rhythm. And then add another note on top. Okay, so we got a nice little rhythm. I might end up changing the sound. Let's see. I want something more synthy. This is more 2-pad like. And the trick with these type of beats is really the percussion and the rhythm with the percussion. I'm gonna show you. Throw the kick in there real quick before I switch it. Oh. Ooh, hold on. That's fine. Let's try a synth. Some of these sounds don't be working. So I'm about to switch the melody up just so we can give it more of a see. Okay, that's cool for. Let's see how it sounds with the octave up. So what I did was I changed parameters on the sound, and I'm gonna do another video on that, and it changed the whole sound for me, or just let's try this. And then what I do is I put the kick on the 4 to give it that fist bump. You feel what I'm saying? And then now that I have this type of melody going on, this type of rhythm and everything, I just try to sparkle it up with a couple little simple sounding type of sounds on top of the main melody to complement what we have. Okay, there we go. So this is like a nice little dance bass. So let's rock with that. Two and one more time. We're gonna keep it simple. And then let's go ahead and clean it up in the piano roll. Pay attention to the grid as well. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom in for you. These lines dictate where your notes hit, so pay attention to the notes on your grid, and also pay attention to the lines. The lines would let you know what is off and what is on your piano roll, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna extend it to the 5 just like how we always do, but usually I just start with whatever sound I have. So right now we got the dance stabs. Oh, hit the mic. We got the dance stabs, so let's do Control B and it'll duplicate it to the 5 and we should be good. So, and then from here on this last little stretch to the 5, we're gonna change it up. More. Okay, so let's hear what we got so far. I'm gonna save this and call this Beatnerd Dance 530. So let's just rock out with it. And then I'm gonna add 2 more things. So now that we got like a nice little perk, I just added a nice perk right here into the sequencer. I'm gonna add a hi-hat, and we are gonna continue to finish this beat. This is called FPC. This is also in your FL Studio program. This is a FL Studio stock plugin, so check it out. Got some great sounds in it. Oh, it's gonna be a bitch because that damn primary. All right, just rock out. Hold on, I'm better off just going on the piano roll. Now that we have basically everything we need for our dance beat, let's go ahead and finish with our bass line and we should be good to go. Alright, so we got our bass line, and now that we have our bass line, let's see, let's play with it. We have two different bass sounds coming in, so this is where a little mixing will come in. So as you can see, make sure all your sounds are in the mixer too. Everything's in the mixer besides the kick, so let's throw that in our mixer by assigning a free mixer track. Also, shortcut, you can click on the insert and then click on the instrument. We'll click on the instrument first, insert, and then Control L. Click on the instrument. Oh, that's already in there, we're good. And then we'll do the same thing for the hi-hat. Now we got everything in there. These two are sharing a slot, so let's move those. Now this one's separate. This one's separated now, so we're good. All right, let's play what we got. Put in our pattern. And that, my friends, is how you make a dance beat, a simple dance beat in FL Studio. If you guys like this tutorial, please subscribe, please leave a comment. Thank you guys for tuning in. More videos on the way. Be on the lookout. Peace.